Today's colloquium is titled Art and Archive, and it explores how artists, scholars, and curators have intervened and questioned the idea of the archive within the arts.
We're just beginning what must be the 25th conference we've organized in the ISLAA-Columbia relationship. These conferences have brought many scholars to New York City and presented a lot of original research that we've discussed and often researched prior to its publication.
I want to thank you all for coming out tonight. This evening, I want to offer you short fragments from a new book.
The symposium addresses very relevant questions, not only about the production of art and meaning, but also the organization of knowledge and the conservation of heritage, artworks, and information.
I'm wondering, how do you see your new book within this archive of scholarship that's being done on this meeting point?
Is there something generative in nostalgia, in thinking about places and times that we're separated from?
Tonight is the first time that we hold a university event at ISLAA's new space on 142 Franklin Street. It is an honor to have such a large audience and prestigious scholars speaking tonight at ISLAA. Through its university programs, ISLAA wants to support new research by emerging scholars and new voices in the field, and also bring students the opportunity of meeting scholars from other places in the world.
And this generates a distinct opportunity for young artists and scholars who will be the art historians and curators and researchers and artists of the future.